Hey guys, welcome to SIS. My name's Arde, and today we're going to be making a paper boat. For this craft, all you're going to be needing is one A4 sheet paper. You're not going to be needing any glue or scissors, nothing like that. But, again, in the end, you can customize it however you want. But you don't have to if you don't want to. Let's get started. First, you're going to take your sheet of paper and fold it down in the middle like a card. Then, you're going to fold it one more time, like a card. Then you're going to open it this time. You're going to see a little line down the middle. Then, you're going to take your little corners and you're going to fold them down to the line so they match up. Then you're going to see these little extra bits on the end. You're going to fold them upwards onto the little triangle. Then you've got a little hat. I'm just joking. Then you're going to see this little thing, like hole thing in the middle, and you're going to pull it. Then you'll get this diamond shape. You can see these little pointy things, but not a problem. You can just fold them in on both sides. There. Now, this is a problem most people make. You're just going to fold it like this. That's not what you're going to do. Instead, you're going to see these little flaps at the end, which you're going to get. You're going to fold them up, like so, to a triangle. See this little hole bit here? And you're going to do that again, and then you're going to get like a little diamond shape. And then there's like this little crack here. And you're just going to pull those, and then you're going to see it happening. And you're just going to lay it flat and flatten it. There, like that. Then you're just going to open it, and there you go. You have a paper boat. Now again, you can customize it however you want in the end. Like and subscribe. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.